Lemko Language, Lesson 10, Days, Months and Seasons. Lemkiuski jazyk, 10 lekcja, dny, miesiące I pory roku. Days of the week. Den. Den means day. Thursden. Thursden means week. Nedziela. Nedziela means Sunday. Poniedziałek. Poniedziałek means Monday. Wtorek. Wtorek means Tuesday. Sreda. Sreda means Wednesday. Четвер. Четвер means Thursday. Piatnicza. Piatnicza means Friday. Subota. Subota means Saturday. Months of the year. Miesiąc. Miesiąc means month. Rok. Rok means year. Sierpień. Sierpień means January. Luty. Luty means February. Marzec. Marzec means March. Kwiecień. Kwiecień means April. Maj. Maj means May. Czerwiec. Czerwiec means June. Lipiec. Lipiec means July. Sierpień. Sierpień means August. Wrzesień. Wrzesień means September. Żółten. Żółten means October. Listopad. Listopad means November. Grudeń. Grudeń means December. Seasons. Pora roku. Pora roku means season. Jar. Jar means spring. Lito. Lito means summer. Oshin. Oshin means fall. Zima. Zima means winter. This concludes Lesson 10. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.